Did you know that you can get paid just literally by downloading apps? Yeah. If you have a cell phone, it doesn't matter if it's an Android or iOS, you can actually earn money with this. And I know this sounds crazy. I was even thinking that myself, but this is actually true. Hey, hello, my name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. This is going to be a full step-by-step tutorial of how you can literally earn money super fast by downloading apps. Okay. And well, let me show you. Right now, this website is working worldwide. So it doesn't matter where you guys are from. I'm going to show you everything step by step. And at the end, guys, there's going to be a bonus, which is going to be another way in which you can earn even more money online. So let me show you everything. Let me share my screen because I want to make sure that we are actually on the same page. The website that I'm going to be talking about is called Free Cash. So literally you can go to freecash.com and you're going to find this website that it already paid over $29 million. Yeah, you hear right, over $29 million. And I know that there might be websites out there who put these numbers, but you don't know if it's actually real. So I want to trust Pilot, which is a third-party provider in which people actually put a review. And as you can see, it almost have the 5 stars, 4.6 star, and this is a verified company. Okay, so a lot of people are really, really happy with their service. A lot of people are earning money with this. So do not miss this opportunity. Okay, so right now they say that you can earn up to $5.54 per offer. Okay, and at the time recording this video, there are this amount of offers available. You can get paid to download apps, to take surveys, to play games, all that cool stuff. So don't miss the opportunity. It's really easy, and they do have several payment methods, including PayPal. But more about that in a moment. So as soon as you create your account, you're gonna see, boom, a lot of offers. Okay, so there are a lot of offers. Here, as you can see, we have this feature offer that's paying $15. This other is paying 90 cents, $103. Yes, you hear right, 103, $33, and there are even more. Okay, which are the type of things that you need to do? Well, you can go, for example, with this one, and here is it. Okay, here is the description. The only thing that you actually need is to search for the keyword text on hold'em in this case, open the app, accept the terms and conditions, and that's it. Okay, so, but there are others who are, a little bit more difficult. In order for you to accomplish, you just need to reach level 25. Okay, so here is it. Reach level 21 in Coin Masters within 4 days. So if you're into games, hey, why not getting paid? It's going to be $33. Okay, so I know this sounds actually incredible, but it is actually true. They also have some surveys, as I mentioned before. They do have some partner offers if you want to take advantage of some discounts like, hey, I was thinking about purchase XYZ. We have this other one, which is, for example, Caesar slots. Okay, so here's instructions and how you can earn. In this case, they're running 3 offers in which you can earn up to $103. Okay, so these are apps that most of the time we will download just to get them. For example, Paramount Plus. Okay, so if you're tired of getting Netflix, and you want to have it here, it says free trials. Okay, just sign up, use the promo code advance for a free 30-day trial, and they're going to be paying you 90 cents. Okay, so if you go here where it says offers, you're going to see that right now they don't have just 31 offers, but 881 offers. Okay, so there is no reason why you're not going to be, getting paid. They have, for example, signups, so you can download the app. And please make sure that these are going to be just for new users. So if you already have your account and you would like to take advantage of this, that's not how it's going to be working. but you have over 200 offers. If you are into games, hey, why not take advantage of these games? Um, so they are available for your desktop, some of them, iOS or Android device. So have a good time while you are actually earning, or if you have some kids at home and you can talk to them. This is just an idea like, hey, do you want to play the XYZ game? So here we have. Okay, so different type of offers for everybody. And I'm pretty sure that right now you're going to be like, okay, how do we cash out? Well, I told you that one way, it's actually with PayPal. Okay, you're going to be earning the coins. And by the way, there is one thing that I almost missed is the fact that as soon as you join, okay, they have a guideline. It's literally take like less than 20 seconds to check it all, and you're going to earn your first money online. Okay. So you can actually withdraw with PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, even if you want to use some gift cards. Okay. So if you want to go with crypto, the minimum it's 50 cents. Okay. So really nice. If you want to go with the gift cards, you can do that as well. And as you can see that people are actually really going all in. Okay. These are actually people who are earning $500 per day. Okay. So people are actually really, really going all in. People are actually taking advantage of these offers and earning good money. So you can be one of them. You can also share this with your friends. By the way, I'm going to be leaving a link below. That's going to be my link. So if you want to support me, because I'm the one who is sharing this opportunity, go ahead and use that link. You can also share it with others. So this is an incredible opportunity. Again, if we go to Trustpilot, you're going to see that after almost 30,000 reviews, okay, it's not five, it's not 100, it's not even 1,000, it's almost 30,000 reviews, 4.6 stars out of 5. Man, that's incredible, because we all know that there's a lot of websites out there, but they hardly ever deliver. Okay. Sometimes it's really hard, to withdraw and all the stuff, but not with free cash. Okay. So that's actually a great way, guys, in which you can actually earn money. So if you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Okay. Also, guys, if you're really serious about making money online, I'm going to be leaving a link below. That's going to be my number one recommendation to make money online. And this is it for this video. Okay. So I hope you find this helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. And I see you guys on the next video.